Om Namastestu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya.
Earlier, Brahmadeva researched on ups and downs of Shiva Sahasranama and other stotras. He gave the honor of king of all stotras to Shiva Sahasranama. From that day on, this stotra of Mahatma Lord Shiva is being done puja by the people in the earth and devas at Swargaloka and is praised as Thavaraj, meaning the king of all stotras. This Thavaraj was first created at Brahmaloka. From there it was brought to this world. This is superior among all superior stotras. This is luminous to all that are luminous, Dabha to all Dabhas, calm to all that are calm, brave to all that are brave, yoga to all yogas, reason to all reasons, truth to all truths, and best among all best. It is that by which these worlds are created and for which these worlds are not created. This is Sarveshwara's Tejo Swarupa. I will tell you all the Sahasranama of such a superior Sambhava Murti. If you hear this with devotion and dedication, all your requests will be fulfilled. Sage Vyasa, once upon a time I recited with dedication and devotion this 1,000 holy names of Lord Shiva, who cannot be seen by even Brahma and Indra. Brahmadeva said, whoever says this with devotion every day will attain higher positions. Sages and devas pray with these holy names every day. Whoever says this every day with devotion, Lord Shiva will take them with him with mercy. Many sadhus in this world have said this Shiva Sahasranama with faith and have attained good positions. They have said this with much happiness. In a crore human birth, in one birth, devotion towards Lord Shiva happens. If that devotion remains forever, that itself will lead to mukti. This stotra is very rare to be even got by devas. Devotion towards Lord Shiva will happen only with His grace. Whoever prays to Lord Shiva continuously will escape from birth cycle. Even devas attain higher positions on praying to Lord Shiva. So, human beings, in order to attain mukti, should only pray to Mahadeva, no other way. Brahmadeva gave this stuti as upadesh to Indra, Indra to Mrityu, Mrityu to Rudra, and Rudra to Dandi. Dandi did penance for a long time to attain this mantra rupa Shiva Sahasranama. He prayed to Lord Shiva with these holy names continuously and attained higher Shivagati. Dandi, while he was living, taught that to Sukra, Sukra to Gautama, Gautama to Vaivasvatamanu, Vaivasvatamanu to Naranarayana, whom he adores and who were doing penance at Badrikashram. Dharma Prajapati's son Narayana gave that upadesh to Yama, Yama to the intelligent Nasiketu, Nasiketu to Upamanyu, Upamanyu to Krishnamurti, so that he may become prosperous. This is how these holy names of Lord Shiva became popular in this world. Sahasranama Stotra will bless us with Bhog, Sarva Siddhis, Swargalok, good health, long living and Dhana Dhanya. Whoever recites this every day will not have any trouble with yakshas, danavas, devils and such others. Whoever recites this wholeheartedly for a year with full control on their senses, following Brahmacharya Vrat, will have darshan of Pashupati Lord Shiva directly with their naked eyes. If this is recited at Shiva shrine, all their sins will go away and they will attain the benefits of Ashwamedha Yagna and the benefits of Chaturdashi Vrat, said sage Sanat Kumara.
Om Asthiraya Namaha. Om Sthanave Namaha. Om Prabhave Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Pravaraya Namaha. Om Varadaya Namaha. Om Varaya Namaha. Om Sarvatmane Namaha. ॐ सर्वविज्ञालाय नमः। ॐ सर्वाय नमः। ॐ सर्वगाय नमः। ॐ उद्भवाय नमः। ॐ जडिने वर्मिणे नमः। ॐ सिकिने नमः। ॐ कट्किने नमः। ॐ सर्वाङ्गाय नमः। ॐ सर्वभावनाय नमः। ॐ हराय नमः। ॐ हरिणा नमः। ॐ क्षाय नमः। ॐ सर्वभूतहराय नमः। ॐ प्रभवे प्रणमः। ॐ वृगदये नमः। ॐ निवृत्तये नमः। ॐ नियताय नमः। ॐ शाश्वताय नमः। ॐ ध्रुवाय नमः। ॐ श्मशानचारिणे नमः। ॐ भगवते नमः। ॐ केशराय नमः।